I'm Giovanna, I'm artist, I live in New York, I remix music, I create artwork. If you like my video, please share it to your friends and family. Share and like with your love. During the post-pandemic, I think a lot of people just like me often cook at home and it's all like a budget eat. So I started to use some frozen pancake mixed with all different type of food you have in the fridge, like frozen corn, frozen shrimp, or some tomatoes, scallions, and cheese and eggs, and you can make like Italian pizza. I hope Italian they don't feel offense. This is a cultural appropriation. I got all these pancakes, and you can also call these pastries that have a different names. It's mostly, it's really cheap. If you like a budget concern, let's say it's just only like less than $10. Take that out, you can and easy put in the fridge. It can store for at least 2 months. Use a pan fry. Put a little bit oil in it. This is one of the pancake. I'm going to just put in the pan fry. The inside. You can start to put the cheese and different ingredients. Depends on what you have. Like sometimes I like to get oyster. Like one famous Taiwanese eat oyster pancake. Easy to make, like a famous street eat in Taiwan. You can get it from night market. Chop some scallions, like a fresh scallion, so it gives more flavor. You also can put onions and you can put garlic. This is all type of things you can put inside. Like I can literally eat this every day. And it's easy, that is only, I can save more time for work. It's only like minutes, I can just finish my brunch and my dinner. Cheers.